Hello friends, my name is Radia. Today we're going to learn how to make variables in JavaScript. So first we'll go to VS Code, then we'll go to our variables.js and we will write let name equals to Radia. I'm also going to write var number equals to 55, and I'm going to write const is female equals to true. So now we'll copy the part of our index.html and paste it in our browser. Now we'll see that nothing shows because we have to write document dot write name. Now I'm going to save it, then reload the browser. Now we'll see this text that says Radia. So now if we try to write document and that's right is female, then save it and reload the browser, we'll say true. But now we'll see that only one of these kinds of variables is changeable. So first let's try it with const. If we write is female equals to, then we'll just write something there. Then we reload the browser. It's going to say nothing because we can't change this kind of variable. This time we'll try it with var. We're going to write var instead of is female, but then we have to change it to a number. So we'll see that there is an error since we also can't change this. So now let's try it with let. We're going to write name equals to, and then we'll just write another thing. Now we'll save it and then change it to name. Now we'll save it and then we'll reload the browser. We'll see that only the name can change since only this kind of variable is changeable. So now if you also want to add a string to your document, alright, we'll add plus behind it. And then we will add our string. It's going to say my name is, then we'll save it and then we will reload the browser. Then we'll say my name is Radia. So now let me write something. Is that boolean equals to true or false. This that we see here is a boolean. Now I'm going to write / string equals to text, and now let me just change this to const. Change this to let, and then this is going to say var equals to number. So now if we move this name, like if we press Ctrl X and then paste it after all of these, then we save it and then we reload our browser, it's not going to show anything. It is because these variables were created before this document, alright, but this name was created after it, so there was no variable when it wrote it, so it didn't show anything. So like if I copy it again, then I'll paste it here, then I save it again and I reload the browser, it's going to say my name is Radia again, because this variable was created before us, so the variable existed before this command was done. We are also going to write alert. Like name. So I'll save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that this page says Rodia. Then it will show this tag that says my name is Rodia. We can also change it to a prompt. So if we change this to prompt, then we save it and reload the browser, we'll see that the same thing will happen, except that it's a text input. So now that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. So bye.